Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with the how-to video channel. Today we are showing you how to put on an iPhone 11 screen protector from Smart Devil. So if you haven't seen it, check out the unboxing video. It'll be in a card up here to see how this product was packaged, how it came. Looks like there are 3 screen protectors and 3 installation kits along with 1 guide right here and then instructions right there. Of course, I've got the phone, that is not included. However, there will be a review video of what I think of it, all of the feedback, comments on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel, so you can check that out. It'll be in the Honest Reviews YouTube channel and a card up here. Watch that, see what I think. Also hit the subscribe button, like button, bell icon, all of that on both channels to stay tuned to future videos. So here we go. How do we install this thing? Well, fortunately, they have some pretty good instructions right here. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. I'll let you read those on your own. If you need any other assistance, they got warranty coverage and also some contact information. They also have a QR code to watch a video of the installation. Unfortunately, it is not my video, but that's okay. It's a pretty good video you can check out there. So what do? First thing, you need to open up this guy right here and clean the screen. So let's get that open. See what we have in here. Looks like 3 items, and they have numbers on them. That's pretty clever. Number 2, number 1, and then number 3. So, number 1, first of all, you need a cleaning wipe. So, clean off the screen with what is about like an alcohol prep swab. So, we'll clean this first. Get it real nice and clean. Any old lines off there or anything like that. Okay, number 2 is dry. So that's with this nice little towel here, little cloth. Get that nice and dried off so there are no streaks or scuffs or anything. Okay, very nice. Number 3, use this to get any dust particles off. So you can see it looks pretty good. Look, that's probably the best view you're going to get, but it looks very nice. So I don't even know if I need to use this, but I'm going to anyway. Peel that off, and then how do you do it? Just like this. It's kind of like a sticker. You're supposed to either push it on or slide it on according to the instructions. See here it says dust removal to remove dust. Pretty simple, but of course you can watch the video if you need to as well. So we'll just get all of this dust off of here. No problem. If there is any dust, we will get that removed. So looks pretty good. Set that aside. Then you're going to put this is fortunately very well labeled. One side says top, there are a couple arrows. It looks pretty much like your phone. You can tell here there's some volume buttons. So this would be the bottom. We're going to put that on just like this. Alright, let's make sure. Ooh, I don't know if it fits properly. We'll try like this. See, it looks like it's just a little holder. So put it on. After that, we got a little more dust on there, so let's get that dust off. Okay, how does that look? One more little dust there. Alright, next step is to take one of the screen protectors out of the sleeve. And then it says tear this off, and from the top you set this on just like this. So it seems to me though that would be on the top, but I don't like how this doesn't stay on there. Let's check this out one more time. Little instructions. So it has tear off the protective film, slowly lower the top of the tempered film against the end of the phone receiver. So it looks like just like this. Slowly lower that right on there. So let's do that. We'll tear this off. Slowly lower this edge right there. And I suppose this is supposed to help line everything up. Okay. Then it says to push down, which is step 4. So we'll push that down, and it looks like it's working out all the bubbles right away. Okay, and then that's it. So let's see how it looks. Well, I don't know that I like how it hits on the edge up here. Doesn't seem to stick, but the bottom looks pretty good. Let's see. Well, that looks good now. So you can see that. We got a little bubble right there. Let's see about pushing that out. Okay, that's still there. That looks good. Well, that was pretty easy install. Pretty good installation. You can see there that went on well. It wasn't quite the new updated model. Some of them, I watched a few different videos depending on your iPhone size. They have like a whole thing. This just is like half it. They click it on and you pull like a tab and it automatically puts it on for you, puts the screen protector on for you. So that would be cool. Maybe we'll check out that if I get a different iPhone or if someone wants to send me one to make a video. That would be, of course, highly appreciated. But that is it. So again, check out the review video, check out the unboxing video on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. If you have any questions, problems, issues, concerns, feel free to comment below or also reach out to the Smart Devil support. Thank you.